Hello friends, this is Vijay Shrestha. Today I am gonna talk about HTML tutorial. Please subscribe our channel. Your one subscribe will motivate us for making more videos. Thank you. Now let's discuss introduction about HTML. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. Now let's see what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. Okay, now let's see a simple HTML document with an example. You can see here. This declaration defines that link document is an HTML5 document, and the next will be HTML. This is start tag, and this is end tag for HTML. Inside HTML tag, you have to write head tag and end for head tag. Let's see what is HTML tag. This HTML is an element and is the root element of an HTML page, and this is a head element which contains meta information about the HTML page. Inside head, here will be title. In tab, and this is your title. This element specifies title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the pages tab. You can write page title. There will be body tag. Start the body tag and end for body tag, and you have to write everything inside this body tag. Means this body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. And for example, I am writing S1. This S1 is a heading tag. For example, you can write this is my first heading. This element defines a large heading, and there will be S2, S3, S4, S5. We'll discuss it in the next tutorial. And P stands for paragraph. For example, you can write this is my first paragraph. The P elements define a paragraph. Now look at, so the output will be like this. Page title is page title, and our title is appearing here, and S1 is heading. So our output is looks like S1 is, this is my first heading, and paragraph, it is appearing here. This is my first paragraph. And this is a web browser. The purpose of a web browser, it may be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari. The purpose of a web browser is to read HTML documents and display them correctly. And browser doesn't display the HTML text but uses them to determine how to display the document. Okay friends, this is all about this tutorial. I will see you in next tutorial.